What's up guys, D Brooks here with another video. So today we got the new fuel tank in, the second new fuel tank for the Regal. As you guys may or may not know, the first one that Rock Auto sent me was actually the wrong tank. They sent me the GM 308A, I needed the GM 307C. So as you can see here, I'm really happy with the new tank, I'm excited. And since it came in today, I wanted to go ahead and put it in today. So that's what I did. I'm gonna show you guys in the videos here what it looks like. I wasn't able to go ahead and record the process because it was really loud in the garage. I had my heater on and my music and I was just trying to get to work. So I'm gonna show you guys some footage here, and then at the end, I'm gonna go over more of what's going on. Let me show you guys what the fitment looks like. That's what it looks like right now. This is supposedly the 307C. There is a little bit of a fitment issue here. You know, the gas cap hits that. It's not that big of a deal, but obviously you want it to fit better than that. Underneath the vehicle, tank with the straps on it. Let me tell you guys, it was a pain in the butt to fit in the car. An easy way to overcome that would be to go ahead and just get straps. Not just straps, but also new bolts, maybe get a little bit longer bolt. Straps I got they just seem a little tight. So it was real tough getting that in, but needless to say, it's in. I do need to wire it up now, the fuel pump, and then we should be able to go ahead and test it and see if it's working. So we got the fuel tank in today. We have the lines ran from the fuel tank to the existing hard lines. I'm gonna try those out before I get something else. You know, I went on live last night. A lot of, the guys on there, we talked about going with the aluminum hard line. We also talked about going with, full stainless steel braided line all the way to the back. Well, as of right now, I'm just gonna use what I have on the car. And then, if anything needs to be changed, I'll change it later. I got excited, the fuel tank came in today and I really wanted to put it in. I told you guys I was gonna have it in over the weekend. It's in now. If for you guys who don't know, Rock Auto had sent me the wrong tank, but they went ahead and replaced it. The service was actually really quick and easy. All I had to do was go on their website and go to like the status part of my order. And since it was within 30 days, all I had to do was say it was the wrong part shipped and go through their questionnaire. And as soon as I shipped the other one out, they shipped me a new one, and it was almost like instantaneously. It was almost instant. I sent my tank out yesterday, the new tank was here today. So here's a look at my fuel system the way it is right now. I still gotta put my return line in, which for now, all I'm going to do is run my return line from my from here to my old evap line, which is right here. I have to do that still. I'm using my existing 3/8 hard line to run my feed, which is fed from the tank in the back. It's going straight through a filter, regulated, and then straight into the fuel rail. So it's pretty simple. Now, all I need to do now is just make sure all my fittings are tight and then get it wired up. So then I should be able to start the car back up and see how things are going and get gas. If you guys have any questions about the fuel system, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I try my best to get to the comment section and get all the questions answered. I'm a little behind right now, but I promise I'll get questions answered. If you guys want links to different things, just let me know. I'll try my best to get those to you as well. For those who are new to the channel, this is my LS Swap Regal 5.3 liter, and it's a work in progress. The garage is a mess. It pretty much always is. Between the different projects, I try to get things straightened up and reorganized. Whenever I'm working on a project, I just kind of go, and then when I'm done, I'll clean it up. That's the update for tonight. If you guys have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I can. If you guys want to see more videos, just make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, all that. Thanks, peace.